Good morning, guys. 8 o'clock. Just gonna get up sooner, but overslept a little bit. And I woke up at 7, but stayed in bed till like 7:45. It's just one of those days. I don't even think I'm gonna take a trade. Obviously, still gonna practice the skill. The skill is accurately predicting price movement to the best of one's ability. It's a skill. Yeah, practice it. So therefore, here we are. I have a idea. I'll run you guys through it. I'm gonna share my screen real quick. I'm gonna share job set right now. All right, so as you can tell, price is price ran up. So where is it? I woke up this morning, price was like right here, right? And I was just like, I'm still in bed. I'm not gonna buy in. Goes up literally the amount that I needed to. Boom, rejects the 24,630, which it did previously yesterday at right before market open. So this was a key spot right here, key price 630. Drops down, rejects all the way to 24,592. Again, these are all levels that I marked out last night. And then it rises back up to 631. Boom, breaks that, nearly touches the 657 price, but it rejects. So now we're at the 20-day moving average, just rejected that slightly. I want to see if it breaks down below the 630 level. It's about to, we'll see. But the MACD is obviously showing downward momentum. This is on the 1 minute time frame, but the RSI is also what I'm paying attention to. Obviously, trying to get to around this right here. Same with that 3612. I want to see if it respects this little range it's got going on right here for the RSI, and then obviously the ATR, which is level of activity, level of volatility. I want to see that coming down. So right now, at that 630, respect it. I don't know. It's right here, the 5 minute. It did the same thing right here. It looked like it's about to turn around, do a little pump fake. It said boop, boop, boop. Yeah, we going down. No, we not. Pop, 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 pop. All that. Looks like it's respecting that. If you close above it, go with you. Right here, 5 minutes not encouraging, to say the least. 15-minute, though, that's encouraging. Ooh, respecting it. Respecting it. Looks like we respecting it. Okay. Ooh. I don't know. I don't know. 1 hour. It's not looking too bad for the 1 hour. It's coming off of all these, so it's gotta like climb that a little bit. It's gotta break above this right here. It's looking like we respecting it. Not even gonna lie. Nah, that looks good. Not even gonna hold you. That looks good. Mm. Mm. Break above that. Break above that 41. I don't know. We about that 41. This might be looking good. Let's see what this says. So, got 55. That's a demand zone right there. Yeah. One more right here. Am I in MNQ real quick? Oh, King. What's going on right now, bro? Oh my God. Nah, this is worst case scenario right now, brother. Don't do this to me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Buddy. Oh shit. That was terrifying, my boy. Yo, that scared the piss out of me. Scared the piss out of me. That scared the piss out of me, bro. Body. Anyways, got that fixed up. I was like, wait, why is it not popping up on the screen right quick? I know I pressed buy. I know I pressed buy. That shit said, that shit said, what you doing right now? I don't know. I don't see it. That shit had me shook. Yo, micro nonetheless. I don't even got it charted out. What's this? Targeting those previous highs. See if it touches that. Never projects back. Sounds it. 809. News about to come out. Core PCE today. Oh, to be honest, wasn't even gonna look for this. But here we are. Here we are. Here we are. I just need that 53.25. We out of here. Just need that 53.25 and we out of here. See what this looks like on the 5 minute real quick. Uh, I mean, it don't look too bad. It looks like she's fighting right here. Right here. Sure. Hmm. was excuse me, 52.25. It's a 15-minute looking like. Mm, mm, mm. It's looking real spicy right now. It's looking real spicy right now. To be honest, I might get stopped out today. It might be the first L of the week. It might be the first L of the week. It might just be first L of the week. Got a lot of selling pressure right there. Might be the first L of the week. I'm not even gonna cut. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna be. For it to turn around right here, that's hard. Yeah, that's hard. For it to turn around right here is very difficult. Very difficult. Very, very difficult. Mm-hmm. What you finna do? What you finna do? I'm not feeling too confident about this trade. Keep it a stack, keep it a bean. I don't respect that 20-day. Fuck. Only 15 minutes till news. Yeah, I'm clapped, buddy. I'm clapped. We got 15 minutes before this bitch starts moving. Don't respect that 20-day. And if it doesn't close above, what price is that? 38. If it don't close above 38.80, I'm pretty much fucked. Oh, it did. Mm, What is this right here? 37. Fighting this soul right here, like fuck my face, buddy. Look at this. Look at this. Might go here. Might just go here. That I'm gonna move this right there. Yeah, yeah, that feels better. 51.75. We can touch 51.75, right? Right. Oh shit. Oh man. This right here. This right here is fucking it up. Fucking it up. Come on. Touch those previous. Touch it. Oh. Touch those previous highs, buddy. Just looking for 51.75. It's 8:18. Got me feeling anxious as a motherfucker. It's my anxiety. Alright, I just cap it right here. Be honest. Look at this fucking MACD, bro. It's just edging me the fuck on right now. Look at this. Damn. Look at that. RSI too. It's just right there. It's right there. It's right there. Tell him you waiting for 8:30 to pop, bitch ass nigga. What the fuck is wrong with you? It's waiting for that 8:30 so it could hit the and then the just yeah, yeah. I don't know, bro. I don't know. It wants to hit though. So bad. Not even go cap. Fuck all that, bro. What I lose? $67? I'm not gonna sit here and take that L. You got me fucked up. You got me all the way fucked up. See, I'm gonna tell you why I exited. All right. I'll tell you why I exited. Even if it was the wrong call. All right. Even if it's the wrong call. One, got news at 8:30, bro, and it's the PCE, price consumer expectation. It's an expenditure. It's too early. It's way too early. The PCE is coming out at 8:30, bro. 8:30. MACD on 1 minute just went negative. Right, that's number 2. And it crossed below 50 on the RSI. That's 3. These are my indications right here. Oh, I know what this is called. Oh, hold up. Give me 1 sec. I got it right here. All right, so boom. Shameless plug real quick because you literally about to watch me use it. You bitch. You gotta turn around. You are. It edged me. She edged me. She edged me, guys. She edged me. Oh well. Wasn't even planning on taking a trade. To only lose $67. It's all right. It's okay. Sucks to see though. Trust me. But it's okay. If you want to learn about candlesticks, like immediately, you just want to know the name, if it means it's up or down. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this bitch. Look at this bitch. Look at this bitch. You better go to that. You better go to what was my stop loss. You better go to what was my stop loss so I could feel validated. So I could be like, yeah, you see, I made the right call. You better not do that shit to me. You better not turn around and be like, yeah, we gonna touch that TP and go back down. I'll come up that screen and smack this shit out of you. Anyways, if you want to know candlesticks and then in the immediate return, like do that shit fast without having to watch a whole video. I have on the MFR Trades Instagram. I'm tweaking right now. Tweaking right now. Look at this bitch. Look at this son of a bitch. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at that. She edged the fuck out of me. Anyways, I'm Gucci. I'm okay. It's okay. We'll get the next one. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, if you want to learn about candlesticks, let me stop sharing real quick so you can see. It's just I can't stop looking at it. Can't. Oh fuck. If this is what the AM session pre-market is like just the fucking the edging and shit. Oh my god, I can only imagine what the market day is gonna be like. That shit is gonna be crazy. It's either one or two things is gonna happen. It's gonna have one strong ass move, or it's just gonna be strong move up, strong move down, strong move up, strong move down, strong move up, strong move down. Like it'll just be choppy as a motherfucker. Anyways, I keep getting sidetracked. If you want to learn about candlesticks and you want to know what they mean immediately so you can use them immediately without having to watch a full video about them, granted, that's what you should do. Real quick, I'm gonna stop sharing the screen. Right. You can go to MFR Trades on Instagram. The highlights, one of the highlights is called Candlestick, and you can just right here, right? And I have it all jotted down, which candlesticks mean what. Super useful. I use it. I'm about to use it right now because on the 5 minute, I saw these are the two candle patterns. Trusting yourself is more important than getting lucky. FOMO, fear of missing out, is a real sensation. Let me take this shit off. Fear of missing out is a real sensation. A lot of traders, it's a lot of it's a sensation a lot of traders struggle with. They struggle with it because it's hard to just look at something and be like, mm, damn, guess it wasn't for me. And they'd be like, but it can be for me. I can still hop on the wagon right now. Let me get on that. Boom, that's how you get stopped out. You wanna be able to partake in every single run that happens in the market, but you have to understand a simple fact. A simple fact. I'm gonna say this as clearly as I possibly can. You can only experience every run, every bull run in the market if you're invested in the market 100% of the time. I'm gonna backtrack. I'm gonna say it one more time. You can only catch every single bull run if you're invested in the market 100% of the time. What do I mean by that? Well, what I mean by that is if you have not futures trading, not day trading. No, I'm talking about you have you could invest in ETFs. You can invest in the S&P 500 ETF, the VOO, the Nasdaq QQQ, uh, the Invesco, the High Growth uh, Equities Fund, which is the VGT. You have options as to what to invest in, right? For the whole market, for the important companies in the whole market that usually push price higher, sidetracking. But the market pops only a few times a year. But if you're in it, if you have capital allocated there, you'll catch those pops every time they come about. As a day trader, you can't expect to you can't expect to achieve those same results. You can't expect to catch every single run that comes in the market. Like it's cool to just not catch anything. Like traders have, and I say this for myself as well. I'm not just saying this for y'all. Like I'm saying this for me too. Everything that I talk about here, this is me reiterating to myself everything I think is important when it comes to the stock market. So if you're following this series, if you're engaging in the lives, then kudos. Appreciate you, family. Um, but I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. This is for me. Like this is how I can track every trade that I do, how I take every trade, the stock options that I decide to jump on. Like it's a way for me to go back and revise where my head was at, uh, what made me take the trade, shit like that. Like I can go back and watch this same video and I could be like, yeah, MACD was sure edging me, but the RSI was still around 60, like, and pushing up. So I don't know if it was. I'm gonna check though. But shit like that. I could just go back and actually look at the footage and see how I traded. It's a form of back testing. It's like you meditating and you're envisioning the fight. Not even. That's a bad analogy. Say that shit again. My fault. It's like you're it's like you're a football player or a baseball player and you're studying tape. Yeah. It's like you're studying tape. Like you're there and you're just like, all right, boom. So and so move like that. I like how Fulano, I like how he cut it up right there in that section and you see it. So now next time you can pass it straight to Fulano flop. Because he's gonna cut it up the same way. It's the same thing. Yo, that shit was fat. He good. Yeah, it's like studying tape. Like you go back, you see how you perform, you see like even in little things like your facial expressions, your demeanor, how you were like going at the market, like your commentary, where your head is at, like shit like that is important. So for me, I look at this series like I'm documenting so that I could look back and see how I perform. Because I'll look at this when I edit it, right? So it's just you have to understand that this is cool. I'll help people, People will make money, they'll trade with me. Uh but at the end of the day, this is for growth. Losing a trade don't mean much. I mean, it means much when rent is due. It means much when you need to buy groceries. It means much when you need to do all these things, but that's why you can't just traders have to take consideration, right? That although you're trading on a daily basis, you have to look at it on a monthly time frame. You have to look at it on a monthly time frame. You have to you have to acknowledge that you're gonna have bad weeks, you're gonna have good weeks, you're gonna have good days, you're gonna have bad days. You might have a week where you only trade twice, you know. Unless you're a dickhead and you trade every day. I didn't trade Monday. I traded Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then today was a hell. $67. I'm screwed with that. Literally, if I have the same procedure next week, I'm good. I'll count pass and I'll start making I'll be able to take a payout the week after. God willing. God first. Remember that. Jesus Christ, your Lord and Savior, I hope you prevail. I'm not a Jehovah Witness, but the truth is the truth. You know what I'm saying? Like on a monthly time frame, guys. Monthly time frame. You need to be able to see your success. You need to scale out the time in which you deem success. Um, so if you don't, you'll lose yourself in FOMO. If you're missing out, you're gonna lose yourself, and then you're gonna be like, "Damn, I didn't trade it there. I didn't catch that. That trade right there was solid. That would have been a banger right there." But too close to the finish line. I don't feel like backtrack. I told myself yesterday. You hear me well. I told myself yesterday, not gonna take a trade today. Market's gonna be too volatile. You got too much economic data coming out. Not too much, but economic data is too important. That's coming out tomorrow, and it's Friday. Friday and Monday are easily most volatile days of the week. So you have to note these things. You have to note them because um, I want to put the odds in my favor as much as I can, as often as I can. Like I said, if you determine your success from a monthly standpoint, as you should, then you give yourself more wiggle room to just take a step back and be like, all right, I'm just gonna watch today. I don't need to trade today. Like if you're a trader and you make anywhere from $500 to $1,000, right? in those 3 days that you trade. If you trade 3 days, if you trade more, good for you. If you trade less, even better. Good job. The point is, if you make 500 to 1,000 for the week, hear me well. Reason with me, real quick. If you make 500 to 1,000 for the week, and you did that 4 weeks. Let's say 1 week you did 700. Let's say 1 week it was a bad week. You only had 500 for the week. And then 1 week you had 1,500. See what I'm saying? And then the last week you had like a regular. It's like 800. Damn near $4,000 for the month. I know that might not sound like a lot, but if you have a job and that job is sustaining you, telling me an extra $4,000 a month isn't valid. I don't know where you live, but where I live in New York, an extra $4,000 goes a long way, especially if you live in paycheck to paycheck. Come on now, what are we talking about? Point is, you have to be okay with those. Let's see what the fuck. Let's see what the fuck she doing right now. Ah. Let me show y'all this. Let me show y'all this shit. Let me show y'all this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this. Look at this. Extend it a little bit. Look at this. It's on. There's actually that don't want to take her pants off. That's terrible, Rob. What the fuck is wrong? But it's facts. It's like a shorty giving you booty balls to the maximum. And she said, "Sarah, it's early. Forgive me. It's early. I ain't shit. Forgive me." But oh man, nah, it's gonna keep going up. Boom, it breaks this level. You're like, oh nah, okay, boom, if it breaks this level, I'm getting up here. Killed you. I was gonna bounce off of right here. Look, you just did it. Get in. Killed you again. Oh man, America is beautiful. Yeah, she teased the shit out of you, but she's beautiful. Yeah, look at that. 90 is at that level too, right here. Look, peep, bam, right there. It needs to go down just a little bit more, but that right there. I won't get in right here though. It looks like she want to touch this right here. Yeah. Anyways, when I said volatile, I meant it. Oh, I haven't had coffee yet. I haven't had nothing. Just straight charts for breakfast, brother, sister. Just straight charts for breakfast. Uh, I know it's only $67 first L of the week. Friday. It's like you can't be mad at yourself though. Can't, because like I said earlier, it's 50-50. That shit could have said, and you fucked. It was a 50-50. If the PCE would have came out a shy, like a decibel off expectations, you best That motherfucker would have tied an anchor around your foot and just said, "Hey," pulled you all the way down, ate that stop loss. The signs of a good trader is a trader that can take losses well. A good trader is a good loser. Why? What makes me say that? Makes you say that, MFR? Well, because you can learn from your losses. You sit back and can study them, and for the next time around, you're better for it. So, um, on that note, if you want to learn some of the trading vocabulary, like what order blocks are, price action, PCE, all this stuff. If you want to learn what all these abbreviations, what all these indicators mean, everything like that, Spanish or English, no importa. Si tú quieres aprender de cualquier manera, tú lo puedes hacer. I have a free trading vocabulary, free, no strings attached, nothing. It's I'm gonna leave it in the description. If not, it's probably in the comment section. But free, 100% free. You'll have all the definitions, everything you need to know, liquidity, everything, all of it. One PDF in Spanish and in English. So if you're interested in learning that, go ahead and check that out. I also have a Skool Community, which is where I do these lives. This is where I do my active trading. You can just be in here. I'll You just watch me as I trade. It's cool. Or you can partake as well. That's what it's meant for. But it's also mainly meant for, like I said earlier, for me to document how I do everything that I do. And yeah, if you're interested in trading just like me, um, if you feel like I have some kind of success, if you think that you would like to have the similar experiences as I, then follow me. Join the MFR Skool Community. You'll have like-minded people there, and I'll put all my trades here, put my stock option trades here, put everything. My futures trades, stock options trades, my picks for the companies that I want to invest in. I, MFR, look up companies every weekend. So we'll take a company that we think is dominant in their sector or space, and then we'll search up their metrics. We'll dissect the company, diagnose it. When I say diagnose, I mean like if its metrics meet our expectations of the company with a competitive advantage, and then from there we dive into the companies that are in its space to see which one actually has the competitive advantage over that company. And if that company is the winner, then cool, we choose that one. But we do that every week. There you can learn how to go about checking the fundamentals of a business, uh, checking to see its value, you know, everything. So if you're interested in stuff like that, if that sounds any way, shape, or form intriguing to you, the link for the MFR Skool Community is going to be in the description. It's not expensive. There's even a 50% discount because it's obviously a membership. It's monthly. Um, but yeah, so it was fun. Took a trade, lost some money. That's always nice. Just so you guys can see that losses do exist, you know. Bad judgment is real. You're not going to win every single trade you take, and that's okay. You just have to take your losses like a man or like a strong woman, and just take it well. Nothing else you can do. Uh, if you can lose well, then you can trade well. You'll be okay. It won't kill you. You'll be back again the next day. And I'm jacking. I'm jacking. I took this loss because I had no coffee.